about 100 times, gonna need it back. Want you to come and find me, just to tell me that I haven't changed. Boy, I need to die from you. I'm getting money, just taking care of me, boy. I'm spending time just taking care of me right now.
All you do is take the regular new lock. What I like to do is, it's definitely different ways to do this, but for me it's easier just to split this one. Take one of the Bohemian locks, see how they look? Okay. You find the loop, which is right here, and you put it on only one. Slide it inside, take it, you knot it twice. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Knot it twice. So y'all can see. Knot it. Pull nice and good. Alright. Then make sure. Okay. Then you take this and you just wrap it. Because all you're trying to do is basically blend it back into the lock. Okay, so many of y'all know I have a pixie cut. Okay, so I've already added hair to the back and braided it. So the back's done. And I did 2 rows in the front already. So basically, let me just show you my technique when it comes to that. Again, my hair is very short. In the back, it's probably like 2 inches. My hair is relaxed. So the type of hair that I'm using to braid with it is the Cuban twist. Basically, it's going to give me a nice texture that I want that's going to be under my locks. So you can't really take. Split it in half. Then I take it into three different ones. Alright. I'll do the same with the other one. Prepping for my braiding here basically. Okay. And remember, we want to make sure that your parting area is not exactly right there. You want to make sure that it's staggered, okay? So let's get started. Okay, so you take your crochet needle, you're going to insert it into the braid. Once it's in there, you're gonna find the loop and put it in. Close it up and pull it out. Just like that, okay? Once you have it in, take it out, making sure y'all can see. Put it in, the rest of the soft lock inside, and you're going to pull. If your witch collars are kind of tight like mine, it takes a minute to get it to pull right. And pull it nice and tight, just like that. And you got it. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all the whole process while I got this. Okay, so then you're going to take, I like to split mine in half. Then, piece about that much. I'm gonna take it. Wrap it around 3 times. 1. It's kind of hard showing y'all, but 2. 3. Then you're just gonna do your regular wrapping motion. Just gonna take a little bit of super glue and speed glue and just put a little dab on it just to make sure that it doesn't want to move anywhere. And bam, you have an extended faux lock. It looks distressed, exactly like what we're going for. A distressed, soft, Bohemian locks. All right. Keep watching. All right, so this is where I am so far. Now I'm gonna do this one for you. So like I said, I used the crochet needle. I put it through my hair. I attach the soft lock. I close the needle and I pull it out. Okay, so this is basically what I'm left with. All right. So what I do is I take my basically Marley hair, okay, but it's the Cuban twist. I split it in half, okay, and I break it in 3 for each one that I split in half. So break it in 3, okay. I grab one of them. This is about how much it is, and I hope y'all can see. I take it right like this. I want to wrap the base 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. Be careful not to get it attached to the other ones like I'm doing. Okay? And then you just start wrapping it down, all right? I'm gonna do it again. All right, so I take my Marley hair or my Cuban twist hair. I put it right here at the base of the braid. Make sure y'all can see it. I wrap it around the base 3 times. 1, 2, 3. All right, and then I just start wrapping normally. I will come back when I'm done and show y'all the finished look, but pretty much y'all know my technique. I'm doing the exact same thing throughout my whole hair, okay? Exact same technique. I'm not changing nothing. As you see, it's super. Y'all, I am completely finished. This is the finished look. I have it in a side part, but of course it can be moved. Middle part, other side part. So there's a lot of different ways that you can wear this hair. You can wear it up. I really do like the fact that I wrapped it. To me, it just gives it a really natural look. I haven't really had any unraveling or anything. It makes it look real distressed and messy, so that's definitely what I was going for. It's extremely long. Let me see if I can get it so y'all can see it. It's super long with the Bohemian ends. So that's so it's like below my bottom, okay? So this is a 14 with a 20, so it's like 34 inches. I did go through with the ends and cut them and get them all nice and pretty. I put some foam on them, and that's just so they can look natural and not look like it's too much. Again, I am loving this technique. I'm loving this hair. So definitely try it out. Let me know what y'all think. If you want to see more videos, definitely like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.